Hey Brawlers, welcome back to the channel. So today we're tackling a common issue that can seriously impact your gameplay experience, which is lag in Brawl Stars. Here are a few steps that you can do. Step 1 is to check your internet connection. Make sure you are within the range of your router. If possible, use a wired connection because Ethernet connections tend to be more stable than Wi-Fi. You can also use a speed test app or go to speedtest.com to check your internet speed. Brawl Stars requires a stable internet connection, so aim for at least 5 Mbps for smooth gameplay. Step 2 is to close background apps. Double tap your home button or use the Recent Apps menu to close apps you're not using. Some apps may store temporary files that can slow down your device, so simply clear the cache in your settings to free app resources. And step 3 is to update Brawl Stars and your device. Go to your app store and check if there's an update available for Brawl Stars. And for your phone, ensure it's operating to the most updated version. Simply go to your settings and check for any available system updates. And for step 4, adjust in-game settings. In the Brawl Stars settings menu, lowering the graphics quality can help. And if your phone has a low power mode, enabling it can help reduce lag by optimizing performance. And step 5, restart your device. Last but not the least, if you do this, it can help clear out temporary issues and improve performance. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to fix lag in Brawl Stars. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.